So let's check it. In here we can see the product is a select. So we make a select in here and give a field name called a product. Each item inside is an option. So option 1 is pork, option 2 is beef, chicken, and so on. If I want to add more item in here, so how to change it? So in here I will add one more option, and this one's pork rabbit rice. So pork rabbit rice and slash option. So I can add a lot of things inside. Okay, so after I write the whole things, number just wait. Let me check what if I press the OK, what will it do? So I generate 2 buttons. The first one is OK, the second one is cancel. So this one is input also. So I will generate input. The type for the button, this one is submit out. So type is submit. And this one show OK in the button. So value, VALUE, is equals to OK. And this one is cancel. So input. But this type is to reset all the field. It's to clear the all field test. So this one is reset all things. And cancel is show up in the button. So the value is equals to cancel. Okay, so try to write here. And we need to add more item inside the select. So option, this one is pork, P-O-R-K, rabbit rice, and you can add more things inside. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, and beef noodle, and so on. Noodle. Okay, so just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items is okay. And this one is a button and a special button. So we use the input. The type is submit. Value show up is okay. The other one is also an input, but this one is to clear all the field. So this one is reset. And the value show up in the button is cancel, C-A-N-C-E-L. So save the file and go back to our browser and refresh it. Okay, so we can have a name. My name is ANN, address is in Taichung. And I choose this one, pork, rice, and send OK. So because this one right now we don't assign anywhere, the things will go out. So he will send back to myself. So you can see hw6.php, we have some parameter which is returned back from the user type. I type my name is CANN, so CNAME is equals to ANN, and C address is Taichung, and the product I choose is pork rabbit rice. So it will return back to myself. But if I don't want it return back to myself, how come? What do I do? I let the parameter go to other place. I can write the action after the phone. So in here, you need to tell the phone, oh, please don't send the things back to myself. Please go to other place. And action means where you go. I want to go to hw6 response.php and this one is underline. So I want you collect all the things and send to HW6 underline response.php. And this one is a string. Please use a single quotation to mark it and end of the tag. Okay? So let me go back to the program and add action, action. Action equals to hw6 underline response.php and save it once again and go back to the browser. And don't forget to delete and enter to make a refresh. And if make sure and refresh more time. Okay, so this one ANN Taichung, and I choose a beef noodle and send the OK. So you can see right now the file title is hw6 underline response.php, and this one will show not found because we don't have a hw6 underline response.php right now. So it show, oh, he cannot find the file, but he can bring the things in here. So I just stop here and please add two button and action in here. And later we will teach you how to write the hw6 underline response.php to get the things from the sky. Okay, just stop here. If you want to take a photo, you can take it right now. Okay, try it. Let me broadcast. So let's go back to here. Once again, this one is hw6.php, and we can type the things in the form. After we press the OK, every field will be collected into a backpack. This backpack collect all the field in here. So the first field is CNAME. The second one is C address, ADDRESS. The third one is product, PRODUCT. And I enter ANN in here and enter TAICHUNG, Taichung. And the product I choose, for example, I choose a beef, BEEF. And after that, because this one I set up the action, so the backpack will send to hw6 response.php to do further process. And where it go? He will go to the URL. So you can see the URL will add one more question mark and the CNAME equals to ANN. And the next field, you will use a AND symbol to concatenate all attribute. So this one is C address, ADDRESS. So everything will be concatenated in the URL. URL is on the sky. So this one is URL. So we inside the hw6 response.php, how to let the parameter or let attribute down to the earth. So we will write a program, PHP and question mark, to let the this one is in here. Okay, so this one is backpack called get, GET. And because the PHP very like money, so don't forget the dollar sign in here. And this one is underline. GET 3 character are bigger one. So I will open the backpack get. So please go to the get backpack. And this one is a drawer because this one is array, ARRAY. So every item inside is a drawer. I open a drawer using a square bracket to mark it. And this one is CNAME, is the field name. So CNAME. I want to open this drawer, and this is a string. So don't forget use a single quotation to mark it. Please open the array, get backpack. In the backpack, I have a drawer called a CNAME. So we open the CNAME drawer, he will get ANN from the array. And I assign it to a symbol. This symbol I called a CNAME. NAME. So after I doing that one, the program will go to the memory to open a space, and this space has a name called a $CNAME, NAME, and put the result ANN in here. So I can get ANN from the sky to Earth. And every sentence has an and symbol. I use a semicolon to end of it. And next one is C address. So follow the same process. I can open the backpack get. And I have a drawer called a C address. So CADDRESS. And this one is a string, single quotation. And after I get the title from the array, I can assign it into a variable called a C address, ADDRESS, and end of the sentence. Okay, so one by one to get all the attributes from the sky to the earth. If you want to show up the value, you can use a echo, ECHO, echo CNAME outside, CNAME. And I want to recognize this one is a CNAME, so I add some title in front of the CNAME. So the title is your name. Sorry. Echo your name is, and this one is a string, so I use a double quotation to means this one is a string, and CNAME is in front of in the end of the your name is, and this one is a string, this one is a variable, so don't forget to concatenate with a dot and end by the semicolon. Okay, so let me open a new file. This file is hw6 response.php. So in here, I want to save us the file into CWMP server www under here. The name is hw6 underline response.php. And the file type is the old type because I have already write the extend file in here. So save the file, and I want to write a program. So I use a tag and question mark PHP to indicate this one is a program. And next step is to let the attribute from sky to the earth. So the first one is CNAME. So I open the get GET underline GET backpack and find a drawer, and this drawer's name is CNAME, CNAME, and after I get the value ANN, I will save it to a variable, and this variable I also call it CNAME equals to the value. So after I get the CNAME, I can echo it out. Echo your name is $CNAME. And this one is a string, this one is a variable. Don't forget use a dot to concatenate it and semicolon end of it. Okay, so this one is for CNAME, and next one is C address. So I copy name here, C address, and set up to C address variable, and here is your address, ADDRESS. Your address is C address, and use a BR to go to next row. Okay, so one by one, next one is product. So check the product. and use product to save the value, and your product is product. Okay, so I have a C name, C address, and product. Okay, go back to refresh it. Refresh. Your name is ANN, your address is Taichung, your product is beef noodle. And go back to check another one. And my name is Sam, address is in Taiwan. And choose this one. I choose chicken. Okay, so my product is chicken. Okay, everything is good. So if you want to take a photo, you can use your cell phone to take it. Okay, try it.